Hello, this is a snippet of our manufacturing and bill of material segment within Matrix Velocity. So just to not get too granular on this particular video, we do support manufacturing with manufacturing bill of materials. We also offer within the bill of materials, you can nest other finished good products that have their own bill of materials within a primary build of materials. We also have assembly processes, so this allows you to document each and every step along the way that is either in a printable format and or it can be looked at as the assembly process once products are staged to the work center. So what I want to show you here basically is the manufacturing bill of material 1 here. And within this particular build, we have all the different pieces and parts that are within that assembly. And with that manufacturing bill of material here, you can go in and see that we have a manufacturing line, which is line 2. The product that we're going to produce is finished goods number 6. We have revision numbers, and we know that within this BOM, we're going to build one product for this particular build of material. We have all of our cost of goods that are related to that particular build, as well as additional assembly time in minutes. You can, of course, do hours, days, weeks, whatever it may be. Now, our default work center is a manufacturing workstation. And again, the assembly process is called finished goods number 2. This is where you can come in and actually review the assembly process and what each step 1, 2, and 3 along the way is all about. And of course, that can be printed out in a PDF as well. So, the next step in our bill of material side of the equation is to actually create a manufacturing order. So, if I come over to the manufacturing order itself, now I want you to know that a manufacturing order can be created from a sales order, or what is known as a matrix order for the manufacturing order. Now, within the manufacturing order itself, I want to show you that you can come in and look at your manufacturing order, knowing that this is the product that we're going to produce. This is the description of that particular product, and we're going to build quantity 5 of this particular order. And so it's going to look at the bill of material for this order to go out and say, all right, my BOM was set up for 1, but now I'm going to produce 5 of these items for that particular BOM. Now, while I'm doing that, I also have all my pricing configuration capability here for that single item that's going to be built. In addition to that, we have what is called manufacturer order planning, or MRP. So now that I went out and said, all right, we're going to go ahead and build this particular product, and I'm going to ship that into warehouse 1, I can go out and say, let's do some planning here as far as what is it that I need to order. Well, from this screen here, what it's telling you is that we have everything that we need in stock to build 5 of these widgets based on our build of material. Now, if we didn't have that, we would show a list of items coming up within this particular BOM order that would allow us to either A, create manufacturing POs or additional manufacturing orders. And then we also have the multiple vendor capability here that allows you to select all of your vendors or the lowest cost vendors. Now, once that's complete, of course, purchase orders are automatically created for this particular build of manufacturing orders, and then those orders just go through that manufacturing process where we go out and we're going to stage all of our components out to the warehouse. So right now it looks like we have over 753,000 of these particular items available for that particular build. So I'm just going to go ahead and create my manufacturing staging request, and what that is doing now is it's creating an actual pick ticket for this particular stage of the build. And so what I'm going to do, just like any other pick ticket, is I'm going out to my warehouse of all my pieces and parts, and I'm going to go ahead and move those into the staging area for production. And this is what I'm going to move over there for that particular stage of the production piece. And then I'm going to go ahead and complete that particular staging as far as now I've moved all these pieces and parts, I've debited my inventory, and all those little pieces and parts are zeroed out. So I'm going to go back to my order and complete my manufacturing order process. Now, once I've completed that particular process for this, the finished goods now are moved into the final warehouse and out of the manufacturing production area, and I now have a bunch of products called finished goods 1 in my manufacturing warehouse 1. So the system is fully integrated over to the Matrix core system. It operates not necessarily independently, but in concert with the rest of the system, which is really what you need in a good fluid ERP that allows manufacturing. So once again, this is just an overview, and demos we can get into much more detail about our manufacturing